In today's episode we are going to try to fix all the oil leaking problems. We are going to check if there is just a gasket or something else. We fixed the stock door. Now we are going to work on the engine side of this car. Now it's time to tackle the oil leaking problem. I've received the gasket. I will change air filter, oil filter and spark plugs. But first we have to remove the cover to see if it's any damage at the engine or it's just the gasket that is leaking, because maybe you can see in there we have a lot of oil. Yeah, in here a lot of oil. Anyway, we have to remove all these bolts, yeah, the coil pack out, air filter, some hoses like this one and this and this, and pretty much that's about it. Yeah, let's begin. Finally out. It's not that bad, but not that good as well. We have some deposits in here, yeah, but it's not in rough shape. Anyway, the car doesn't have so much kilometers. It has only 152,000, I think, but really not that bad inside. In here we have a little bit of deposit. I might clean, I might not clean. I think I'm gonna leave it like this because it's going to rain and I don't want to have to run in house and leave everything in here open in the rain. So I'm going to clean just the sides. I'm going to put some silicone, new gasket and the new cover. This was the worst gasket I've replaced ever. I couldn't even take it one piece out. It snapped in a million pieces. It's hard like a rock. I have this part in here. I cannot take this out. I have to try again because it's like metal. It sounds like metal. I have the new gasket in there. I'm gonna try to put some points of glue just to stay in here till I put the cover on the engine. And I'm gonna show you when it's done because I don't want to rain on me. So yeah, I'm gonna update you soon. And it's in. Yeah, it's installed. I put some silicone all around because I don't want to have any leaks anymore. I'm gonna stop right here because I didn't receive my spark plugs and my filters. And till my parts are here, I'm going to remove the throttle body. because it's not looking that good. I'm gonna clean everything, and when I receive my parts, I'm gonna continue working. Throttle body installed, clean. Yeah, looks way better than before, and it's clean. Now we can put this back on. I've cleaned a lot in here. Maybe now you can see the gearbox. Before we could not see the gearbox, the bolts and everything. Yeah, I've cleaned in here as well. I've cleaned a lot in the engine bay, and I receive all my parts: air filter, spark plugs, oil filter, gas filter, and cabin filter. I'm gonna start with the spark plugs, air filter, cabin filter, and the oil filter, and gas petrol filter. I'm gonna change in the off camera because I have to put the car on the inspection pit on the other side. So yeah, no more talking, let's start.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my
Whack, disgusting. Check this out. This is maybe from factory in there. Now I just have the fuel filter, the oil filter to change, but other than that, it's like brand new. Everything is clean, wiped, including the cover. The heat shield from the exhaust is clean as well. I put everything because I'm I'm confident that it's going to start with new parts, of course. Cabin filter is installed. Now I've noticed that I'm missing some plastic covers in there and in there, but not a problem. Yeah, let's start the car. Let's see. Yep. No check engine light, no oil pressure light. Everything is okay. Let's see in here. Man, that's smooth. So I think we saved another one. And with that, it's done. The car is done. I've already cleaned the car. Yeah, I've repaired these sides from the doors. I've ultra clean the interior of the car. Is like brand new. Check this out. The dash, yeah, it's like a whole new car. The door panels, everything is clean and wiped. Like I've said, it's like a brand new car on the inside, of course. Yeah. And in some parts the paint looks really good. I washed complete the car without the roof because it's pointless. Now I'm going to do off camera, like I've said, the oil filter and the fuel filter. I'm gonna try to buff the headlights. And before I close this video, I've started to buff the headlights. That's done. That's the old one, yeah. And I'm not quite done with this one, so you can notice the difference. Yeah, it's quite big, in fact. I'm going to do both, and pretty much that's about it. The car will be for sale. If I'm going to paint the bonnet, I'm gonna give you an update on this, but I'm gonna try to sell the car how it is. But if I'm going to paint the bonnet, I'm going to replace this door as well, and I'm gonna paint this as well. Yeah, so I think this was a good deal. Like I've said, I bought the car for parts for cheaper than you might think. Yeah, I bought just the trailer to put it in here, so it was like 50 euros. Yeah. And we fixed everything with a lot of work and 40 euros in parts, I think. Yeah, so pretty much that's about it. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.